And welcome to the start of the project. First of all, you will have to create a project React. Normally, you could find a video how to install React and how to install a project on our channel. After you have installed your project, you can go back to VS Code. Here we are on VS Code. I created a React exo folder where inside there is a starting setup. This is where we can start our project. Of course, if you have installed everything correctly, you should have the node module, the public, and the src. We will start by opening the src, and inside normally you should have the app.js, index.css, and the index.js. That's all you see, and if it is installed, it's good. Now, how to open our starting setup? It's very simple, you will see. You just have to open your terminal, then in the terminal we'll do cd01 starting setup. Here it's to open folders, in fact. You press enter in the folder, you press enter there, and it's good, you are in the folder. Then to enter this folder, we'll have to do an npm start to open our local. You press enter, and you normally wait a few seconds and it should open. Well, normally you should arrive on the logo of React, which runs continuously, but do not worry, I will show you the code so that you can have this page there, where it's written, let's get started. So I invite you to pause on the video to be able to note what is written. Here is the app.js, here is index.css, and index.js. Normally, if all that is good, or if you have opened your local, it will be good. So I invite you to go on the next.